Hover pocket door installation for 2x6 frame. Step 1. Measure the door. Determine the size of the door you plan to install. Step 2. Mark the path. Draw a line indicating where the door will slide. Step 3. Construct the rough opening. No cutting is required for the hover door track. To calculate the rough opening for a single door, use this formula. For instance, if you're buying a pocket door kit for a door that is 30 to 32 inches wide, choose the larger size, which would be 32 inches. Calculation: 32 inches times 2 plus 2 inch equals 66 inches. Your rough opening is 66 inches. Height calculation. Formula: door height plus 3 3/4 inches. Example, for a standard 80-inch door, 80 inches plus 3 3/4 inches equals 83 3/4 inches. To determine the rough opening for a double door, follow this formula. For a pocket door kit with a door width between 30 and 32 inches, choose the larger size, in this case, 32 inches. Multiply this larger size by 4 plus 4 inches. This will give you the rough opening measurement 132 inches. Calculating door rough opening. Width calculation. Formula: door width plus 1.5 inches. Example, for a 30-inch door, 30 inches plus 1.5 inches equals 31.5 inches. Step 4. Install main track. For optimal maglev performance, ensure the main track is perfectly straight by using a 4x6 header with a 2x6 frame. First, install the top metal frame. Align and secure the top metal frame to the 4x6 header. Then, connect the pre-assembled main track to the straight header. Double-check that the track is still level. Note that the maglev door levitates, and if it's not engaged with a soft close feature, and the track is not perfectly level, it will glide down the track. For your convenience, by tilting the header or main rail down by just 1/8 of an inch, you can activate the semi-automatic feature, allowing the door to open and close effortlessly. Step 5. Door installation. First, measure the distance between the bolts. Next, center this measurement on your door and make the marks. Align the brackets with these marks and secure them by installing all the screws. Door mounting. Lift door carefully. Slide onto overhead track. Set desired door height. Step 6. Install the bottom metal frame and floor guide. Align the frame with the marked area. Ensure that the bottom metal frame extends 1/2 inch beyond the width of the door to reach the edge of the stud. Fasten the frame to the floor using screws. Floor guide installation. Cut a channel measuring 1/4 inch wide by 1 inch deep to accommodate the floor guide. Position the guide at the center of the groove, aligning it with the front end of the door. Secure the floor guide to the floor with screws. Operation check. Temporarily position the soft close mechanism. Test sliding motion. Check alignment. Verify smooth operation. Make height adjustments. Step 7. Install the vertical metal frame. Align the vertical metal frame and extend it fully to connect with both the top metal frame and the bottom metal frame. Use metal screws to secure the frame at the joint, fastening it to the top and bottom metal frames. Step 8. Install the back split jamb. Mount a 1/2 by 2 1/4 back split jamb to the vertical frame and a 3/4 by 3 to the top metal frame to accommodate a door with a thickness of 1.5 inches, making sure it is level and positioned 1/2 inch away from the door frame. Step 9. Install split jamb. Use shims to level the 1x2 1/4 split jamb, then attach it to the back split jamb. On the opposite side, level the 1x6.5 inch strike jamb, then fasten it firmly to the jack stud. Then, final check and testing. The soft close mechanism is set to your preferred position. Test the door by opening and closing it several times to ensure it operates smoothly and quietly. Make any necessary adjustments before closing the wall with sheetrock. Finishing touches. Trim the excess shims and complete the job by adding door molding. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit our website at hoverdoors.com for more information and resources. Thank you for selecting Hover Doors, and congratulations on your new pocket door equipped with state-of-the-art maglev technology. We are confident that you will appreciate its quiet, efficient performance and the space-saving convenience it offers for many years to come.